Microsoft Excel lesson 1.6, 1.7. These are the two lessons that I told you guys that I would record for you to try to help you with some of the things that I felt like you needed to know based on those two lessons. So let's get started. So the first thing is view tab and view windows. This particular video here will show you exactly how to go through page breaks and views. So the first thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about being able to view page breaks within a spreadsheet. So in order to view page breaks, you're going to go to the view tab. When you go to the view tab, as you see here, so the first thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about being able to view page breaks within a spreadsheet. So in order to view page breaks, you're going to go to the view tab. Actually printing this is what when you go to the view tab, as you see here, it's going to give you a page layout. It's going to give you a page break preview. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the page break preview. It gives you so if you were actually printing this is what it would look like. So also in that you're able to do a page layout. The layout of the page. You could add a header. Page layouts, which is in section 7, it gives you just a glimpse of what your actual document will look like when it's printed out. So this is the layout of the page. You could add a header, and you can also, if I'm not mistaken, you can add a footer. So this is the view tab page layout. Also, with the you have views. You have different views that you're able to use. Custom views. When you are doing your spreadsheet. With custom views, you have So the next thing is, here are the instructions for the page break and the view window. You can go back and refer to this later. Here are the steps here, and you can go back and watch the video. The second part is modify document properties and display formulas. In this section, you will learn how to modify the document properties and display the formulas. With the displayed formulas, formulas are codes that help you calculate numbers. So we'll talk about that when we come back to class next week. Formulas are another thing that are in Microsoft Word, and we will get on those next week. I think I'm going to show you those before we leave next week. So with the formulas, you're able to view to see if certain documents have formulas. So as you see here, you can see that this is kind of a spreadsheet, and it has numbers and looks like some data. So down here it says totals. So those totals, 9 times out of 10, have formulas. Formulas look like this. Okay? So it's like equal, sum, and then the row and the columns that it's on. So when you look for a formula, that's what you're looking for. So if you want to know if a particular spreadsheet has formulas, you're going to go to the formula tab, which, remember, Excel has a formula tab, and then you're going to go to show formulas. So when you go to show formulas, it's going to show you if the spreadsheet that you've selected, the sheet that you selected, if there's multiple sheets, have formulas. So you would see here that yes, this one does have formulas, okay? So if you wanted to not show that it had formulas, you would simply come up here to this button where it says Formula Auditing and unclick it. If you want to see it, you're going to go to that same group under Formulas, Formula Auditing, and click Formulas. So this is the Show Formulas area, okay? Right here are the document properties and the display formulas steps. You're able to look at these and be able to know exactly where you need to go with these 3 steps. I would advise you guys to really study these and know which ones, and know how to navigate through this. So for your assignment, I want you to go back and review what the videos that I've shown you, but I also want you to review lesson 3, 3.1, 3.3. I will give you an assignment on Tuesday when we get back on that, and then we're going to start talking about formulas. We'll talk about formulas and charts for the rest of the week. Okay, everybody have a good weekend, and I will see you guys soon.